By the end of this video, you're going to know the 10 things every successful YouTuber in 2025 is doing. And the truth is, most beginners keep at least 3 of these and wondering why they're not growing. This isn't outdated advice either. These are the same strategy that creators getting millions of views this year are still using to grow. And if you're just starting, missing even one of these could be the reason your channel never take off. So if you're serious about YouTube growth, make sure you stick around, take notes, and actually implement what I'm about to show you. Tip number 1. They treat YouTube like a business. Most small creators treat YouTube like a hobby. They upload randomly, they don't plan their videos, and they expect views just because they hit publish. But successful YouTubers, they think like CEOs. They research, they track what's working and what's not. Common mistake: uploading without any plan or purpose. No niche, no schedule, no direction. For example, Mr. Beast didn't just blow up because of luck. He studied YouTube for years, treating every video like a product launch. So ask yourself, what's your niche? What problem are you trying to solve? What value are you bringing to your audience? If you think just uploading random will grow your channel, just wait until you hear this next. Tip number 2, they obsess over a hook. The first 5 to 15 seconds of your video determine whether someone stay or click off. And here's the harsh truth: YouTube won't push videos people don't watch. Common mistake: starting a video with, "Hey guys, welcome back to my channel." No one cares. You're wasting precious seconds. Instead, open with curiosity, shock, or bold promise. For example, this is a single reason 90% of YouTube creators fail before they hit 100 subs. Creators like Eric or Ryan Truson master this. Go study their intros. They don't waste a second. And speak of bold, before I show you the tips that might be the difference between next video flop or going viral, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel in 2025. Tip number 3, they design clickable thumbnail first. Yes, you heard that right. Successful YouTubers don't shoot a video and then think, what thumbnail should I make? They design the thumbnail first, then make the video match it. Common mistake: overloading the thumbnail with too much text or random image. Instead, successful creator asks, would someone strolling stop for this? For example, look at thumbnail from channel like Colin or Samir or Creators Insider. One face, big emoji, 3 to 4 word max. Now you thought thumbnail were all about design. Tip number 4 is going to change how you see the algorithm entirely. Tip number 4, they understand viewers' retention. The algorithm doesn't push video just because you hit upload. It pushes videos that keep people watching. YouTube reward watch time. The longer you hold a viewer, the more your video gets shown. Common mistake: dragging intro, rumbling, no clear structure. People click off and your video die. For example, think of Mr. Ho's The Boss video. Every few seconds something changes, visual, story-wise, or emotionally. You must keep things moving. Use open loop, but here's what most creators don't know. To hook viewers deeper, retention is king. If you're ignoring this next thing, you're losing viewers before they even click. Tip number 5, they master title like headline. Your title is your video headline. It needs to spark curiosity, urgency, or solve a problem. Common mistake: boring title like My YouTube Journey or Another Day in My Life. Instead, use format like The Truth About Whatever Topic. I tried things for 30 days. Here's what happened. Why your channel isn't growing, the brutal truth. Look at creators like Ali Abdal or Jade. Their titles scream curiosity. But even if your title is perfect, your channel can still struggle unless you're doing this next step. Tip number 6, they batch and schedule content. Consistently matters, but it's hard to stay consistent if you're winging it every week. Big creator batch and film 3 to 4 videos in one go and schedules them. Common mistake: uploading randomly, burning out, or quitting when life gets busy. Solution: pick one day, script multiple videos, and queue them up. For example, think of Think Media or Catherine Mannings. They always have consistent upload because they plan ahead. You have heard content is king, but what kind of content? That's where the next one comes in. Tip number 7, they create for search and suggestion. Successful creators don't just make content, they make discoverable content. Search-based content help you get found early on. Suggestion content help you go viral. Common mistake, making whatever you feel like videos. No keyword search, no SEO strategy. For example, use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, find keyword your audience is already searching for, and then create video around those. But even if you're ranking high in search, there's one hidden element every top YouTubers use to grow fast. Tip number 8, they build a community, not just views. Most creators chase views, but smart ones build relationship. Community viral views. Common mistake, ignoring comment, no call to action, no community posts. Instead, reply to every comment, ask question, go live, or even start a Discord. For example, look at Nick Niman. He's everywhere. YouTube comment, live, all of it. But even building community won't save you if you ignore this next tip. Tip number 9, they learn from every video. Successful YouTubers don't just post and pray. They analyze every upload. What was the CTR? Where did viewers drop off? Which thumbnail get more click? Common mistake, never checking analytics or uploading blindly. For example, think of YouTube like a feedback machine. Every video gives you clues for the next. If something works, double down. If something flop, adjust. And finally, this last tip might be the only thing keeping your channel from real success. Tip number 10, they never wait for motivation. The top 1% of YouTubers, they create even when they don't feel like it. Common mistake, I'm not feeling inspired, or I don't know what to make. Truth is, most creators who succeed show up even when it's hard. They don't wait for motivation, they build discipline. For example, even Mr. Beast has said, there are days I don't feel like filming, but I do it anyways. And that's why he's successful. So there you have it. Those are the 10 things every successful YouTuber is doing in 2025. Let me ask you, which one of these are you doing? Which one are you going to implement right now? Drop a comment down below, and if you got value from this video, hit subscribe because I've got more weekly breakdowns coming that will help you grow even faster. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't come from luck. It comes from knowing what works and doing it consistently.